Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another done Unplanned video. The recording of this Friday the 30th of January 2026. We are just leaving the hotel now at 7:33 AM. Still a little dark, it's just getting light. 7:46, sun up. We're walking down to the train station now, and today we're going to head up to Lake Como. We're aiming for like Bellagio side, so come and join us as we head down. As we make this short walk around from our hotel, the train station there, already quite busy. And the light's starting to get a bit better. So we're going to head off into Milan Central, get some breakfast, a little coffee, and then head up to Bellagio, Lake Como. So come and join us. I had the best sleep yesterday. I was so exhausted, but feel really good, energized and ready for today. Just need a little piping hot caffeinated beverage. We're just outside Central Station. There's the Big Apple. Look at the station itself though. It's absolutely beautiful. This will all be set up for the Olympics. That'll probably be one of the backdrops they use. Look at the apple. It's amazing. Heavy army presence everywhere, lots of police and security, obviously for the run up to the Olympics. There's one of the stores, the official Olympic stores just there. I don't think it's open yet. We've arrived in Lake Como. Snow on the mountains. Up there. Look at it. Just coming down these stairs. Just off the train station. Just behind us. There's a bit about it. And behind me here is Lake Como. We have arrived. Look at the trees there, look. They're so strange, they're like little hands. But here is Lake Como. Look at the clouds there. Beautiful. So this is Como San Giovanni, and then we're going to get the bus up to Bellagio, and it goes all the way up round past the lake. So it should be absolutely beautiful all the way up. But we're just going to grab something for breakfast in town here, and then head up, and then we'll get a nice lunch somewhere up there. Let's go. So the bus tickets from here in Como San Giovanni up to Tremezze is 10.80. So we're on the bus now, we're heading up, and if you're coming on this bus, sit on the right hand side so you can see as you go past the lake. Right, we've arrived. We're going to go into this restaurant over here called Glams, get some lunch. That bus ride was awful, but they were doing some road works, so it took forever to get up here. Right, change of plan. We're not getting any lunch there. We're getting the ferry over, which I think is right here, from here. And we're going to cross over to Bellagio now and get lunch in Bellagio. So we're getting on now. Look at this. I think we'll be the only two, huh? Right, we've just pulled away. We are the only two people on this ferry.
Private ferry.
It's literally just us. So let's sit back and enjoy the crossing. Backdrop, and I think we'll try one of these little restaurants over here, get some lunch straight away. Look at this private ferry crossing, like Taylor and Travis. We decided to come today because we thought tomorrow would be super busy, but we've got so lucky with the weather. It is cold, but it's bright and beautiful. Limoncello Bellagio, another one, and Bellagio honey. Wow. Look at this.
Is that cream
Oh,
melon?
yeah. We had this last night in the pizza place. It was really nice. Look at this though. Right, we're in La Dolce Vita and we've got our food. I've got the tagliatelle arrabbiata and a beer. Pam's gone for the tagliatelle bolognese and it's smelling incredible. Right, we're getting on this ferry up to Varenna. This one you can bring your car on. Beautiful place though. Pardon? Look at the lamp. It's a little bit cooler up this side, so we came across on Stelvio, and now we're just exploring around, having a little look. This is absolutely beautiful up here though. Look at these little doors. Look how clear it is. The smell from these lavender shops is incredible. It's aloe vera up there. This is like the world's smallest tour bus, look. What is it? Look at this. Right, I think we're heading back towards the train station. Limoncello's. Oh, that's a nice little view down there. It's a busy little restaurant there. Look at this. Look at this view. Wow. Look at this little veranda here. Look, this is someone's house. Look. They would have a beautiful view every morning. Well, every day. They've got their own boat launch. Right, we're heading back to the station now. Up this way. We just made it back to the station in time. 16:80 to get back to Milan Central. Right, we're off the train, we're back in Milan Central. Just now. Let's go, it looks busy in the station. Right, it's a little while later, we're just exploring around. We're right next to the arena. We're going to go down and get Pam a little burger because I had another one of those delicious sandwiches. So this is where we are right now. Right, we're inside the burger place. Look at this. He's doing the smash burgers now. All the ingredients here. It's called Enzo Burger. Look at these. Oh, it's called Bonzo Burger, look. That's where we've just eaten, Fonzo's, and it's next to Tong Tong Nail, just down here. Just coming up to the castle. We're going to work around to the fountains. The temperature has really dropped now. It's like probably about 4 degrees, but it's super cold now. It's like the temperature of what it was over Lake Como. All the runners are out.
Do you not reckon it's lower?
No, I think about 4.
6?
Feels like.
6?
Look at this fountain. Look at this, man. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is just something for the Olympics or if this is a permanent fixture. But this is absolutely beautiful. I love how each arch is lit up. It pops. Beautiful view. Look at this. Decadent chocolate cake, and it's from McDonald's Cafe. The little Mac Cafe section in McDonald's. It looks absolutely divine.